It's one of Iceland's most astonishing natural phenomenons.
This is a very unique tour. Probably you're not able to do it in many places. Iceland is just perfect for that. Our glacier is also very unique, shape of it and our lake. Usually we have plenty of icebergs. So today we'll make boat tour at our lake, Fjallsarlon. Our boats are over there. We will start on shore, go close to icebergs and around them, then all the way to the glacier, to the edge. This is very good weather today. We are very lucky, I have to say. Sometimes it's a little bit more sunny, a little bit more warm, but not really much more. We are going on this boat, getting close to icebergs and all the way to the glacier. You're not able to do it walking there because glacier is just behind the lake. So we are giving this opportunity to get close and see it from a nice distance and sometimes even touch the ice. So when its ice is very clear and you can see through, it means it will be very nice blue from a distance. It's light reflection, but then when it's sunny, it's getting cracks on top. That makes ice white. Of course, it's not changing color. It's something that our eye can see it in a different way. People really enjoy to go around icebergs and go all the way close to the glacier. Also there on the mountain. The unique part is that you're able to go really close to this glacier. Sometimes you can spot actually calf or how icebergs are flipping inside the water. It's a very unique experience, but we are always making it in a safe way.
Guides will tell you that icebergs are deceiving.
We need to remember we can see only around 10% of their volume. That's the reason we always need to be sure we are in a safe distance from icebergs. Sometimes even though these icebergs look innocent, they might be really big under the water.
Glacier Lagoon was created naturally less than 100 years ago due to warming temperatures.
Glaciers started to melt rapidly in the last 20 years, and right now it recedes up to 50 meters every year. So this distance from shore until edge is getting bigger and bigger every year. I know that it is important for guests to save some memories. Sometimes it's inside the picture. Of course, Iceland is very unique. It's a beautiful country.
A beautiful country with a one-of-a-kind glacier and lagoon, a must-stop when you travel to Iceland.